Hello viewers, welcome back. In this session, we'll start another new topic, that is pipes and cisterns. Okay. See, cistern is nothing but it's just a water container. Okay. So it is like a tank or a vessel that contains water. Okay. So for suppose if I draw something like this, so which is filled with some water. Okay, so this can be called as a cistern. Okay, so there may be different names for this, like a reservoir, tank, okay, cistern, like that. They may give many names for this, but you have to understand only one thing: cistern is nothing but it's a container of water. Okay, a container that holds water. Okay, and when it comes to the pipes, there are two types of pipes. The one is inlet pipe and the other is outlet pipe. Okay, so for suppose if you take, so inlet pipe is nothing but which fills the cistern with water. Okay, so this is inlet pipe that fills the water into the cistern. Okay, so this fills the water into the cistern. Okay, and there is something that is outlet pipe. Okay, here either you can draw this here. Okay, outlet pipe withdraws the water from the cistern or tank. Okay, so inlet pipe is something which fills the water into the tank, and outlet pipe is which withdraws the water or discharges the water out of the tank or cistern. Okay, so these are two basic types of pipes they may give in your exam. Okay, so there will be a water container. It may be something like a reservoir, tank or cistern or something. Okay, for which few inlets pipes will be there and few outlets pipes will be there. Okay, so the number may vary. Okay, and they may have some rate of discharge or rate of filling. Okay, or they may give in terms of time. Okay, it will take this much of time to fill the tank, this much of time to empty the tank, like that. Okay, and they may ask you to find what is the time to fill, time to empty, time to half full, okay, quarter full. Okay, like that, they can ask in any manner. Okay, and sometimes they may ask you to find the volume also. Okay, and in general we assume that pipes and cisterns is a bit tough topic, and moreover there are many types of problems that are expected, and there are even various methods to solve those problems and various approaches are there. And instead of discussing all those methods or approaches, I just want to discuss only one kind of approach. The same approach can be used to solve any type of problem that corresponds to pipes and cisterns. Okay, so let me explain that. Let us quickly move on to solve the problems. Okay,